At Leather Repair Company, we do car leather repairs like these seats, shoes, and leather jackets. Our professionals have developed solutions that will enable you to completely restore and protect your vintage or classic objects so that they seem brand new. In order to regulate and considerably reduce our carbon footprint as a leading business in our sector, learn more about the efforts we are making to become a greener enterprise. It's better to have eco-friendly options and recycle the car interior and furniture, and it helps you in saving the planet and go green. Using recycled products doesn't only reduce the harm to our motherly earth, but we can reduce global warming as well. We offer the highest quality services and products in the world. Our award-winning Leather Repair Company products are loved by all, so order your favourite products from our website and let your car's leather interior stay new always.